All right, of course, now moving on, President William Ruto has appointed a commission of inquiry to probe into the Shakahola deaths tragedy.
Well, the commission, chaired by Court of Appeal Judge Justice Jessie Lesiit, is tasked with investigating the unprecedented events that led to the death of over 110 people believed to be followers of the controversial pastor Paul Makenzie, and recommend action against those found culpable for the particular tragedy.
The Commission of Inquiry into the Shakahola tragedy will be inquiring into the deaths, torture, inhumane and degrading treatment of members and other persons linked to the Good News International Church in Kilifi County, establish the circumstances in which they occurred, inquire legal, institutional, administrative, security and intelligence lapses that contributed to the tragedy, and recommend specific action against those found culpable of the offences. The Commission is also to recommend regulatory reforms aimed at preventing the recurrence of such incidents by extremist religious institutions, cults or occultist groups, and other formations that foster negative religious activities. The 8-member commission comprises of Court of Appeal Judge Justice Jessie Lesiit, Lady Justice retired Mohanji Kasango, Eric Gumbo, Bishop Catherine Mutua, Jonathan Lodompoe, Frank Njenga, Wanyama Musiambo, and Albert Mosasia. Oliver Kipchumba Karori and Rachel Maina are the joint secretaries, while the lead counsel is Senior Counsel Kioko Kilokumi, assisted by Vivian Janet Nyambeke and Bahati Momoye. The Commission will then prepare and submit a report on its findings and recommendations to the President within 6 months. The President further instituted a task force to review the legal regulatory framework governing religious organizations in Kenya. Reverend Mutava Musimi will chair the task force, whose other members are Bishop Mark Kariuki, Bishop Eli Rope, Archbishop Maurice Muhatia, Lawyer Judith Ongori, Reverend Alphonse Kenga, Bishop Philip Kitoto, Farid Abdallah, Professor Musili Wambua, Joseph Khalenda Wabwire, Mary Award Kitege, Charles Kenjama, Leah Kasera, Nancy Murega, and Wilson Wanyanga. The joint secretaries are Martin Ndiwa Talian and Maria Goretti Nyariki. The joint secretaries are Martin Ndiwa Talian and Maria Goretti Nyariki. Serafina Robi for Easy Friday.